Parasaurolophus, the unique dinosaur with a distinctive crest. Name and time period. Parasaurolophus is one of the most prominent herbivorous dinosaurs from the Late Cretaceous period, approximately 75 million years ago. The scientific name, Parasaurolophus, comes from the Greek words para, meaning near, sauros, meaning lizard or dinosaur, and lophus, referring to the crest on its head. With its easily recognizable shape and its tendency to live in large herds, Parasaurolophus is one of the most iconic members of the Hadrosauridae family, duck-billed dinosaurs, also known as duck-billed dinosaurs due to their duck-like beak shape. This dinosaur lived during a time when giant creatures had taken over most of the Earth's ecosystems. This was a period when wild animals, particularly dinosaurs, thrived across plains and forests. Parasaurolophus lived in large herds, creating communities that helped protect one another from carnivorous threats. Size and appearance. Parasaurolophus was a relatively large dinosaur, measuring about 9 to 10 meters long and weighing between 2.5 and 3 tons. Its body was elongated and well adapted for fast movement across vast areas. One of the most distinctive features of Parasaurolophus was its long curved crest on its head, which could grow up to 1.8 meters. This crest served not only as a recognizable feature, but also possibly helped the dinosaur communicate with others through special sounds. Scientists have suggested that the crest wasn't just for decoration, but could have been used to produce sounds or to assert dominance among members of the herd. In addition to the crest, Parasaurolophus had powerful long hind legs, allowing it to move quickly, reaching speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour. Its duck-billed beak allowed it to feed on tough vegetation such as leaves and grasses. Its digestive system was efficient, enabling it to consume and digest large amounts of plant material in a day. Habitat. Parasaurolophus primarily lived in North America, where the climate was warm and humid and the environment was rich in resources. It was typically found in dense forests and vast plains. The habitat was teeming with various plants, from large trees to low grasses, providing abundant food for Parasaurolophus. Swamps and forested areas were ideal for them, as the plant life in these regions easily met the dietary needs of this herbivorous dinosaur. Although living in an environment filled with dangerous carnivorous dinosaurs, Parasaurolophus was not a predator. Instead, it lived in large herds, which helped protect one another from threats. These herds would travel together in search of food and could encircle weaker or injured members to keep them safe. Behavior and feeding habits. Parasaurolophus was an herbivore, primarily feeding on plant materials like leaves, grasses, and smaller plants. They lived in herds, which helped protect one another and allowed them to search for food together. The herds of Parasaurolophus would often move from one area to another in search of new food sources. Although they were not predators, they still had to be cautious of carnivorous dinosaurs like Tyrannosaurus rex. With their strong legs and agile bodies, Parasaurolophus could move quickly when faced with danger. Although they were not hunters, their ability to run swiftly helped them evade attacks from larger carnivorous dinosaurs. This was particularly important in a world where danger was always lurking. An interesting feature of Parasaurolophus is its ability to communicate. Scientists believe the crest on its head wasn't just for recognition, but also played an important role in sound production. The sounds produced by the crest could have been used for communication within the herd, particularly in situations that required coordination. By making sounds with their crests, Parasaurolophus could warn each other of danger or attract attention from members of their group. Interesting facts or mysteries. One of the most fascinating aspects of Parasaurolophus is its long crest. This crest wasn't just for decoration, but could have been used to create sounds or to assert dominance within the herd. The unique shape of the crest likely allowed it to produce sounds as Parasaurolophus moved, helping them maintain contact with each other in busy areas. Researchers have also studied the crest's potential to create a special type of sound that could have helped Parasaurolophus recognize each other and detect dangers from afar. Some researchers even suggest that the crest may have been used to attract mates, helping the species maintain its population. Additionally, Parasaurolophus may have lived in an ecosystem with a diverse range of animals, from carnivorous dinosaurs like Tyrannosaurus rex to other herbivorous species. This shows that Parasaurolophus was not only notable for its unique appearance, but also for its significant role in the ecosystem of the Late Cretaceous period. Why this species became extinct. While Parasaurolophus thrived during the Late Cretaceous period, it became extinct around 66 million years ago during the mass extinction event that wiped out many other dinosaur species. The primary cause of the extinction of Parasaurolophus and many other dinosaurs is believed to be the impact of a massive asteroid, which caused drastic climate changes and the collapse of ecosystems worldwide. This created an environment that was no longer suitable for dinosaurs to survive, including Parasaurolophus. The extinction of Parasaurolophus was a tragic event in Earth's history, but its unique crest and contributions to the ecosystems of its time remain an integral part of the story of prehistoric animal evolution. Research on this species helps us understand more about the evolutionary processes and environmental changes that led to the disappearance of one of the most iconic dinosaurs of the Late Cretaceous period.